Hey everyone, welcome. I have got Sebastián Ramírez with me, and we are going to be talking about FastAPI. So I run a little group called TechX, and this week I'll be having Sebastián join us to talk about deployment, and more specifically, I want to hear why FastAPI Cloud is a thing. So Sebastián, welcome. Tell me a little bit about yourself and what you're doing about deployment.
Awesome. Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Sebastián Ramírez, or Rectangular. I created FastAPI, which is this web framework for building web APIs in Python. It was like, I don't know, 7 years ago or something like that. Now, a couple of years ago, I started the company, FastAPI Cloud, and the idea is to make the deployment of FastAPI applications as intuitive and easy and, like with good practices by default as possible, and to make it, like bring the same spirit that FastAPI brought to like web API
Yeah,
development to deploying to the cloud.
I love that because it seemed like back in the day, like 20 years ago, we could all just throw files in a web root on Apache, and we had a website that was live. Today, it feels like it takes about a week
Yeah.
just to get all the assets in the right spots and all the CI set up correctly to even get a development site online someplace. Like what changed? What's changing?
Yeah, it's like, like I have always been very interested in teaching people how to build things, how to do things. And like in FastAPI, I have so much documentation about how to deploy FastAPI, how to do it yourself. But at the same time, it's like, like if I have to write so much and people have to study and learn so much just to get
Yeah,
the basics going, that was not satisfying to me to tell people like, okay, like you get like a FastAPI application in a week and it's like pretty much production ready, but then like deploying it is like, yeah, well, good luck. It's gonna be six
yeah,
months. It
yeah,
was like, like half the story was just like missing.
yeah.
So I wanted to be able to provide people a way to make that as simple as possible and like as close as fast API feels as possible.
Yeah. And,
I
and
feel
I'm
like, no, sorry, go ahead.
I was gonna say, and I'm a happy user of it. I've got a pet project right now that I've deployed in your beta environment, and it's incredible. I was a bit of a disbeliever. I literally installed, Fast API with the correct extension, and then I ran Fast API deploy. It logged me in, and just I had the site up, like I could go to /docs and see the API docs. Like it was an incredibly seamless experience, and I can't wait for others to experience this.
Nice, amazing. I'm very glad to hear that. That is what we are targeting. It's very fun that the pitch of the product is very simple. Is you hit a command fast API
Yeah,
deploy and it's online and we handle the rest. All the infrastructure, right? To scale, engage, yeah, like all the stuff, we take care of that. You just can focus on the code. The
yeah.
hard problem is building that. So like we say, like our slogan is you code, we cloud. But like if we try to say it in a different way, it could be this is infrastructure suffering as a service. So we suffer for you, so you don't have to.
I love it. Well, thank you for suffering for me and getting the product like this on the market. I'm interested to see where it goes. It sounds like maybe in a few weeks, people will be able to sign up for it. If people want to get on the wait list, they can go to fastapicloud.com. Is
Yes,
that right?
yeah.
Yeah,
FastAPICloud.com, exactly. We are on the waiting list. We are in private beta still, but we are onboarding quite quickly. So if you join the waiting list, there's a good chance that you will get access to the system.
that's awesome.
Yeah, quite quickly.
All right. Well, I'm looking forward to our discussion later this week with our TechX crowd. If you're interested in joining, feel free to apply over at the Luma site. There'll be a link here in the post on LinkedIn. And we look forward to seeing you on Thursday. Thanks, Sebastian.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much.